out there cleaning up right here for the goats and clean all this up, make it look a little better. And but another chainsaw to clean up with.
Good job. Henry's gonna cut all this, open this up right here. And we're gonna open some of these up back to the big trees. And then we'll be able to get the other goat stuff in here. All right, Henry, be safe. All right, doing a little work on the back side of the homestead today. Living simple with them. This is a couple of our piles of kindling right here. We're gonna cut all this up and stack it, clean all this up right here to the big trees, all the way back around to here. And then we're gonna take and move this awning, straighten it back up. The wind got a hold to it. All right, doing a little project here on the homestead. Living simple with Dimp. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate all the new subscribers. We're well over 100, so we hit our first goal. Keep logging on, keep sharing. We appreciate it down here in the historical Alabama Black Belt. Learning how to live on a homestead, living simple. What life's all about, guys. Thanks so much. Share with your friends. Living simple with them.